Leetcode problem today. So today's problem is convert binary number in a linked list to integer. Let's go through the problem statement. Given head, which is a reference node to a singly linked list, the value of each node in the linked list is either 0 or 1. The linked list holds the binary representation of a number. Return the decimal value of the number in the linked list. The most significant bit is at the head of the linked list. So let's take this example. So the most significant bit is at this number. So we can basically have the we can directly basically convert this number uh, to a decimal number by starting from 0. Then once we start looping from the left hand side, uh, we can basically just keep on shifting this whatever number left and keep on adding the bit that we find. So shifting to the left by 1 would imply multiplication by 2. So and we can add the number by ORing the binary representation. So let me give you an example. So initially the whatever number we have found is 0, we will initialize with that. Then first bit is 1, so we will do uh, 0 left shift by 1, and then we will or 1 to it. So 0 left shifted by 1 will become 0 0, and then when we or this becomes 1. Then when then next bit is uh, 0. We repeat the same operation, then the number becomes this. Then we find 1, and when we left shift, this becomes the number, and then when we or we add the last bit that we have found, which is 1, then the number becomes this. So this will be the final number, which as you can see is the same as the number present in the linked list. So in order to solve this problem, let's code this approach up. Let's make this variable head mutable, and let's initialize a result variable which will initialize to 0. Since all the variables are immutable by default, we'll declare it to be mutable, and we will return res in the end. So let's to loop through the linked list, we can use a while loop. So while we find some node in the while we keep on finding some node value, because this is an option value, option type, head is of option type. So while we keep on finding some node value, we can do res equals to res left shift by 1, and then we or the node dot val. Then we just update the head to node dot next. We keep on going to the right hand side by one pointer. In the end we return res. So let's try submitting this solution. As you can see, the sample test cases are passing. So let's try submitting this solution again. As you can see, all the test cases have passed. Thanks for watching.